As you are well aware, we have started seawater desalination plant in Thalayadi, Jaffna. So as you can see here, we have started the piling works, actually the secant piling works in this location. We are using the secant piling as a shoring arrangement for our intake pumping station. Now we are marking the location of the pile that we are going to drill by this auger. After marking the location, now we are going to take this rock bucket. Actually this attachment is called the rock bucket, which we are going to fix to the kelly bar, and we are taking it closer to the kelly bar so we can fix it later to the kelly bar, and we can use it to remove whatever the inside that material of this drill hole. That's actually this area is filled with sand, so we are going to remove the sand from this kelly bucket. In future, that in this video actually we are going to describe what is the use of this kelly bucket. Now we are taking the encasement adapter to the location we are needed to fix it to the rotary. Actually in this here we are using the rig that it is called the BG28. It's a very powerful rig which we can do the drilling very fast and in very accurate way. So now actually you can see in this picture that there is one cylindrical thing that is which is called this adapter. Its diameter is about 900 millimeters. So we are going to fix this adapter to this rig, and this is the adapter which we are going to use to fix whatever the encasement we are using for this drilling works. Actually this is the adapter of this encasement fixing. Before fixing this adapter, we have to remove the pin whichever fixed to this rotary arm. So for removing that pin, we have to remove this half circle part. For removing that half circle part, we have to remove 2 Allen bolts. Now that as you can see, this worker is removing 2 Allen bolts and removing the half circle part. After removing the half circle part, he has to remove the pin from the rotary arm. Now he has removed the pin. After removing the pin, now this rig and rotary arm to be matched with the hole in this encasement arrangement. As you can see, now they are aligning the hole from the rotary arm and this adapter. After aligning the rotary arm and the adapter hole, now they have to insert the pin whatever they have removed before and fix it with the half circle lock and 2 bolts of Allen key. Now they are fixing the 2 bolts. After fixing the adapter, now they have taken the rig to the again center to the whatever the location they have to do the drilling. Now they have to take the encasement whichever we are going to use to cover the area, the drilling location, because this area is filled with sand. So it is there is a very good chance that it will be collapsed while drilling. So first we have to drive this encasement to a depth about 3 or 4 meters and remove the inside material. After that again we have to drill and drive this encasement to another few meters and again remove the material inside to minimize the collapsing of this drilling hole walls. Now they are stabilizing the encasement and removing the hook. After removing the hook, we have to attach it to the location where it's there is one special location that we have to attach the hook in this rig. They have to attach the hook to that location to reduce the entanglement of this hook with other activities. they are raising the kelly bar. This video you can see that they have inserted the kelly bar to the casing, and then now they are going to fix the adapter to the casing so they can drive the casing to the location where we want to drill for this piling. Now they have taken the encasement to the piling location. After taking the encasement and driving it about 1 or 2 meters, we have to check the alignment of this encasement, because for the second piling it is very essential to check the alignment, because it should be vertical. If it is not vertical, there will be a problem while after casting the pile. Therefore we have to check the verticality of the pile. So we have to put this spirit level in the two perpendicular directions so we can check the verticality of the pile. As you can see here, now this pile is almost vertical, so we have to adjust from the rig the verticality of the pile. Now they are drilling and inserting this encasement into the location. We have to drill at least 2 to 3 meters inside this location with this encasement. And again we have to check the alignment of this encasement to ensure the verticality of this encasement. After inserting the encasement about 2 to 3 meters, now we have to fix the kelly bar with the rock bucket. As I explained before, now the rock bucket is inserting inside the encasement to remove the whatever soil inside this encasement up to the location whatever this encasement is drilled down. As you can see, after inserting the rock bucket inside the encasement, now the kelly bar is rotating. So if we can rotate this one into the clockwise direction, whatever the material inside this encasement will be collected into this rock bucket. The main purpose of this rock bucket is removing the loose material inside the encasement. After filling the rock bucket with the loose material inside the casing, now they are removing the rock bucket to outside, and after removing the rock bucket outside, they have to remove the material inside the rock bucket and unload it to this location. So for that one, as you can see in this rock bucket, there is one lever. If you pull this lever, the bottom part of the rock bucket will be open and whatever the material inside can be unloaded to the outside. In this video you can see that one. Now this worker is pulling that lever and leashing the bottom part of this rock bucket. After opening the bottom part of this rock bucket, as you can see from this same rig, that if we push that one to the ground, the rock bucket will be automatically locked down to the location. As you can see now, the first sleeve encasement is driven to the ground, and now they are going to fix the next encasement. For that one, they have to first clean the whatever the first encasement, this nut and bolt holes, and they are applying the grease in the locations. There are 12 holes and 12 bolts are going to fix this location. This is the bolt they are going to fix to this location. Should be fixed with one Allen key. And now the second encasement is placed on top of the first encasement. Now they are going to insert the bolts. As you can see, now they are inserting the bolts to the holes between the first encasement and second encasement to ensure the fix of this first encasement and second encasement. After putting the bolts, now they are going to fix it thoroughly with this Allen key. Now they are tightening the bolts. As you can see here this is the, they have called this core bucket. So when there is a location when we can't excavate the area and remove the loose soil from the rock bucket, they are using this core bucket to remove the hard strata inside this piling location. Here, as you can see again, after the second encasement, now they are drilling the third encasement also inside. It's the sequence actually. First they are driving the encasement inside about 2 to 3 meters, and they are removing the loose material inside with the rock bucket or the core bucket, and then again they are going to drill this encasement to the ground more deeply, and again they are going to remove the loose material. Actually this is the sequence of this drilling the piles. As you can see here, this is the finishing bucket. After they are finishing the drilling of this hole with the other bucket, now they are going to use this one to remove the bottom part of the loose material. As you can see here, there also they have the same lever arrangement to remove the bottom part of the bucket. It's the same way actually there, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching this video. Actually the purpose of doing this video is to gain knowledge to the beginners and trainees in the universities. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel for more.